to operate. If non-contact, you press your pedal for your soap. You wash your hands for some seconds. Good hand washing. This is another pedal you press for your water. You wash your hands for some seconds. It kills all the germs. Recommended by NCDC. Hand washing is recommended. Alright, so that's all. It has inlet and outlet where the water comes in from the source and the drainage. It goes to the drainage. So it's simple to operate and we are good to go. Thank you.
The soap comes out, you see, put in my hand. Then with your left leg, press the pedal to bring out the water. I'm already washing my hands now. See? Wow. This is great. Wow. Good.
This is the hand wash COVID-19 fully automated hand wash machine. We press the pedal of soap and the pedal to wash our hands. It is showing that it's fully functional and they are good to go.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Non-contact.
The machine is being operated by a simple pressure inserted on the pedal. This is the soap. Without touching without having contact with the machine, you have to rub your hand properly to increase the friction. You press the pedal for the water, and the water starts coming out effortlessly without having contact with the machine. And after successfully rinsing your hand properly, and just the simple technology, just move back your leg from the pedal, and the water ceases rushing, and you are through with washing your hands.
Mechanical engineering, COVID-19 equipment to help our students and staff. To demonstrate how to use the soap, you put your leg in the pedal, you press the pedal and take out and put your second leg in for water and you wash your hands. By God's grace, COVID-19 will disappear from Nigeria and the world in general in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Gotta wash your hands.